have SIM card registration. SIM card registration at air cost no. It seems say you paying for no. The beer almost say almost should be I'm a Ghana for and she say no. Almost doing any one bruching home. As a Ghana for one bruching, yet dear say you better bar. No more yesika. And they support two parties dear. And the Mokai any what amanone. Any ever two said didi. And the G and Kakra and the support two parties. Our no more on my say I any a bonono. As I say, you see a baby. Kakra Ruma. And no more year free. Yebusa. Yayamudei. Ghana for Yayamudei. I a woman on Yayamudei. And pay for Yebusa more. Say, I'm a no ya wono. Bra ye bre edebe bo mine eba housing deficit ye boa bi ye sisi adan e me abusua ye sisi adan e de ma oman mani behind bi ye kura ba ye demu sen ya demu na bosome ne yesa akọ ayatum ene ye ba ye de betum ni akosie yen ye bre mu jania ne de aba ne da be bo afie remittances Amankwatia bia no onko parliament onko kan say sika no ne for the Ghana no we koko free hono mo a se kura metima ka say abro so e che koko so adentina bia mo fa yen ka ho about how many years ni almost about 20 years aya pass sa bill say amanone yentu yesemeto abane bi yes betima tra to be up to date Amankwatia bia beba be campaign I say e drew me so a e be adwuma because isi here sika and no answer isi the budget ni beba so isi the beba no so 3 farmer no e ba no ato ya to ha titu Ghana for Germany and Holland so omusu de bia kokoma any day adan e de etimi kuta 2 passports and the macatro mo I buy na or hono and e bia mo kuta Ghana buy so no utimi no mo ntia senka e hye ni ye the try work right SIM card registration Ghana for back Ghana for 2 weeks na obi a SIM card e de ahye ni form atimi na abusua ne ma e wa amano ne di nkomo omukru no di nkomo a yesi ye mo SIM card ni bi because omu ni NIA card omukofa no he ene nipa bebre na be kasa wa afidie so ne higher Asempa 94.7 no so fu kokwa mankwa ene obi ho anya enye Ghana hakura nipa dodo sen ene was sa NIA card no bebre de omusankan bebre omusankan omudie na minister Mami Osla also nipa ba ko betima register SIM card 10 we are for na hifa ene wo e di entity for your passport etimi register bi passport is international document fingerprint e say Ghana ye enye manual bi o e digital data collection ye fingerprint your pictures SS so difference be na any NIA card ma Ghana ni ba abedru Ghana ne me no ka say yenya ba angel gina a SIM card or the passport akọ almost no ade ye kwa homa no so Dr. Danso e US Ghana Leadership Union omo president no assembly wanka bia na enye ono a ye kwa homa no so ne ma Dr. Danso Doc, ya mwako abadoba Asempa 94.7.
Megamati. Na mosi maameno odine passport akọ se yemana womuzo womunyi edie na omuhia
omu pe before benya SIM card e Ghana chewanya National Identification Authority card nibi NIA card to ule bia
Ghana card
ansa no to my register bi
Ghana card no so there's only one place in Accra omo advertise say nkofo nkogidi eboa
me de meka no say you bia
these are the kind of things that ama or minor actually in your independence 1957. And as you remember, no, Ghana Eddie Enipa Bebre Kwaku for 4P called Germany, Britain, America, Canada, Australia, Kusina engineering, Ebi Kusina medicine, Ebi Kusina so many different subjects. So I say, and management is one of them. So I say, a simple common sense. When you have 30 million people in a country, let's say half of them, or even 15 or 10 million, and that's what Ghana Kada. You are creating one office for everybody to go and be in line. We are not thinking carefully. Now, Obiko can we ya? Yes, you and the Wako can't same way. Look, our people are not thinking carefully. When people get into government jobs, they stop thinking. So I say, you want one casta and a woman could and a woman who say, it's so better within 2 months, and if you are yet at a human Temwa, and we are a breya, it's soon a bit messy, and then our lifeline will be lost for the whole season. You know, like I say, we miss the deadline. They would think carefully. So I say, so one businesses, and now one realizes say, one man fan near my bedroom, and she says she near my man for 4 tree, and about woman who say I shan't here and Temwa. They would think carefully. No, they don't think. One more year, government, that is the way they think. So I say, it is a what person what you say, Obi Baji Ghana card. For almost a bridge back Ghana and India. Again, how long do they stay in the country? How long do they still be out here in Canada and US and Germany? Or bar the vacation time, you're saying. So what I say, Oba, almost Kappa, they come and start building. They come and start hiring the plumbers and the electricians and those masons, and everybody gets a job. Okay, and forever and forever, no, a lot of thousands and thousands of our people overseas are sending money to Ghana to support our economy. Now, so almost banom some person go to the Amusi Debi. Almost banom person register for anything Amusi Debi. Simple cards are almost bad, and also your BBS you go through so much bureaucracy. A best high for Nippon, I'm frustrating what I forget it, cry, my guy, forget it, Monfamadia. This is nonsense. So I say, it is a SIM card now, one way understand. It's all because they want to collect taxes. And from what I understand, one movie say, SIM card, telephone companies, woman a creative database. A database is a list of names and contact numbers. Retrieval is simple to set up. Anybody a work tech and now any university or Ghana computer science, who can own your database that they can do it. So I say, but our people in government are not thinking right. And unfortunately, the president is too busy or doesn't know enough about these things to manage these people to act and deliver. So people are working, they are being paid a lot of benefits. When they are sick, they go to overseas. Minister of Finance, so of America, but they are not thinking on the job enough to solve our problems. When your problem look, you are going to the World Bank to ask for loans. You are going to IMF. You are going to different companies, China, to ask for loans in exchange for your bauxite, in exchange for your land and everything. In 50 years, Ghana will not be Ghana again. It will be Ghana only in name, ruled and managed by the Chinese. That is what is happening. People in government are selling the country.
Dr. Danso, it is said as a cabbage. Doc, that's
it will be what Abrokyiye no ban was so big a phone card that must money because it is a Asempa.
You need animal in a cabum, a cannon radio or more Rotterdam, eye Jareko ene da no ho saso na wokọ eye Cologne Germany a eye Sunshine Radio eye maami jo so eda no ho ne Uncle Richard saso na wokọ China eye GL Radio China omusoso afa dwumadie no ewo ho Ghana for wo China ye chia mu nyina ni se sa time bi no eye grado mokoda in say modie mo woni mu be 7 hours but still mukuzo amutie ye chia mu nyina doc ye chia mu aha eye Asempa 94.7 yenko Ejareko eye Holland ono na ye Kano Radio Ejareko ye mo akwaba
kukawa kwa mejoso
na apom to say
Adam anempabo
yo o SIM card no registration na obeye first no say so one for Ghana card answer nye this current registration na enye dwuma bio it is our number no me the beto baby ISS standby because by March now my idea me use our number no free bio then I work on
yo kwa kumedo wase na me fi say issue in aba no very important because na me fi say ya ha kwa na ochina be san boso sa na kwa me can say na me can wo full him on behalf of Ghanaians here Holland am say you onye me bi all man nyame anim ni me can say we are Ghanaians rejected in the diaspora. We are Ghanaians rejected in the diaspora. And I want so Abrokyire na ekokonya post mono. They don't think of the Ghanaians in the diaspora. Omo me yahu biu. Omo ko Ghana ho they forget it. But omo petumi no dia, omo ni enya na e ya. Kwaku me ka, ma me America crazy. Share me start e free about one so the no kai idea is very painful. Try back to September 29, 2014. Yeah, any former president Mahama Oba UK ha Oba the country and said young country electoral commissioner, right? Young country electoral commissioner na young me tell me on which me am I ato aba. Oh, President Mahama, he said this. Was to make a strong case to the electoral commissioner. Mahama tells Ghanaians abroad. And that was 29 September 2014. The president, Mr. John Mahama, has urged Ghanaians in the diaspora to make a strong case to the electoral commission to implement the representation of the people amendments law passed in 2006. When to be young movie. President Nana Akufo-Addo, all presidential candidate, he also made a promise. And also so Amankwatia go chief here permanent. And now one more national ID card. Professor Ken Atefa. Also can say, make sure so register amount for right? Of which other permanent says will be over 50 nobody knows. Right? See, the same thing, and a man else also the same thing. My name what they say, and now there is 6 September, 6 September. SIM card registration is to start in October. Communication Minister, Waka, right? Back to 14 October 2019, you register your SIM card by June 20th or loses your phone number. Miss of Lausu. So, na baby, I mean, say, and my mammy, Lausu Kunfu, all Katana. What Miss Kunfu announced government decision at a press brief Monday and explained that valid ID cards will include driver's license, SNIT, passport, and the Ghana card. I think it's almost limited to only Ghana card. She said it on graphic graphic.com Monday 14th October 2019. On Waka said a valid ID card will include driving license, SNIT, passport, and the Ghana card itself. Why is it that she has now extended it to only Ghana card? Abrayene welcome to Papa Kanateta or Council on the Baba register at the permanent. What the mama here? How can we? Because the thing is that Obiaba Ghana or Drew our person friend in Nipa said they are walking. Said, oh, me Baba Babidu. Koko Joe be telephone. Our airport one more. Now the Coco phone one. Yes, and then a man comfort me Tracy, ever we are no Baba Piano. And you won't be a mobile. Just Abrokye for there, we are just totally rejected.
Asempa FM.
I mean,
94.7.
Hey, you're too much. And yes, one more Abrokye Nkomo. We got to do airport. We got to me any SIM card. You were prepared to move about me. We got to me your call. Now the area Koran say, most of they say no, obi ba or no kuta foreign passport. You were Ghana for so kuta foreign passport. Na nipa no oba for 32 days. Most 30 days, you know. The nipa no every more than 30 days. This okokoje non-citizen card. Na nipa no obedi 32 days and it say 2 days na that's all. On to me nya course or man anymore. I mean, what type of system is this?
Asempa. It was
almost say a foreigner. You are Ghana for the said now Holland, Germany, and Austria. You are Ghana for. You also see you could have foreign passport, you could have German and Swiss passport. Or Baba be 34 or 35 or 31 days. Mostly over to me, I use a SIM card no for 30 days. After 30 days, now my chip. If you need already 32 days, now that's 2 days, no, on your access to telephone. This will call register Ghana non-citizen card. What type of system is that? Imagine it's idea no more cano. Country paying and no mayor side with it. After this, I say, young man of crown. But I won't now compare no more animal. We just compare with the American animal. No more Baba, no more most of the people. And to my only be a 20 mamma. So, and a moment near my old goose near Bangoya campaign work, near more top anywhere, we near Tom to my mum. When I post you, nothing be a night, and so you watch me. What is that?
Did I say? It's a record. Constitute.
Mention that.
Did I say? A higher Asempa 94.7. SIM card registration ongoing one no in favor Ghanaians in our diaspora at all in favor so me make say me mama no about be do Ghana has say send me ekwaji bi ma wo mo no yes che me de me Ghana card and ajama wo now me de kwajima no that's all could the call sound baby near ya na me near me so na or the koye bibi anya me near me so na Abrokuta Ghana passport utimidi tu kwako worldwide fingerprint the picture the bibi and the data bibi ya on no opifanye SIM card best two imagine Abrokyire nyina no a passport. Last one I'm in Germany, Frankfurt. Me do the first is where's your passport? Eja to car in Nigeria or use SIM card the register you shame I didn't know because Ghana the any age more. Me can say to me a bay age my bus can't meet you no. As an international corner me, it is a local one. Samsung will be a free. I'm an only do hanuma. Obetwa you soon the foreign SIM card no, but obetwa in dollars and nothing. Or receive call obetwa. Or receive call no crown obetwa. Or receive no obetwa. To be connected then chino. It is only local one. Ya kwa humano so na yene yenua sipoku MC ba ko pa Hamburg. MC yamwa ba.
So Agodajo na Ghana ho to say Ghana for what say
o Ghana ye ho ye pa na mo SIM card ho asem a mo de bro me na mama mo kwan mo kire mo adwene say SIM card
dem de yeni abre pa because Mr. Kenatefa I was with you bibi pa and say yesika ya di bagana na ye best stop
the bia mo de mano kasa mo musika no be stop so mo boa mo timi kasa mo be to we ka se be register mama to abaya ye o timi an ka hwe
enso no nyema bia ye pese sebe abano e dia sempani fo bisa no e wo so mo timi gine ye ho so na ye mo timi ye bibi boyen se ya ye so e wo mo nane no se ye befia and never be one year feel say you want brooch na brofo na timi aye no yen so no ye betimi afam bi e wo Ghana ho so ho
this is how pan say
yeah how pan say sa NIA boss no Ken Atefa obetimi at na wotimi approcess niema ama abrochefo e say saka no abrochefo no say bibia ye bia no your card ni your passport you timi the top tip and one you return your tip e dey say your form ni bibia na say obi be bedru Ghana na okura Ghana passport na ontimi emfa Ghana passport no entimi fa register just a card na niema bi won mo a say yentia say entimi emasa on the my wife back Ghana they say ontimi ayo Akonta na me fresh so and na me no atimi akasa so I didn't see what a basa so any person basa because at least they only free e dey come over bedru Ghana was to see here we kura Ghana passport you know at least I was to me to card na so nko ye even Ghana card and then say tintina no a unkura Ghana card tintina no kwa so we den so mo na mo bia na basa mo baswa mo promise abotre for say ya bibia ni amodi ebesem oh comedy by we tika ye tia wo airport bosomen so a tika ye di bafie enti no na je say mo ye scapegoat bi na ase ye no mu yusi yen kwa mu nyina ye ho wo kwa bi a awo say ye na ye tia boche no ye nyam fasoro bi wo ho say even 1 month na ye ba be di 2 weeks na ye ba be di no emfasoro a ye betime nya kakra e wo ho no ultimate say enyi wo ho enyi ye ho wo sakwa no so so na even ye de kan na ba wo habode a enyi ni ye gotu am pimani bi kwa bi no sebe enye fe oh ene ma emamu wa ni bi ni mo ma sebe wo mo fa telephone
Asempa FM 94.7
wo mo ka tre pani no mo ka tre pani no eso no ade bi pani ye de wo sifu say wo hwe adie bi so no I was on one nim die na wo ba brochire sebe ye wo mpanin fo bi wo koimu a even almost your professors a wo Ghana for ya wo betumi o matena fe an negotiate wo niema bi a afa sa card yi wi so obi be bedru a at least o betumi di ne passport o register wow na mo mama ya Ghana card bi yantimi enye bi wo ha afi your representative as a embassy e wo hanom yantimi enko no man kwanko yebi na ye bedru won so anon so ye person ni obi kasa anon so just Ghana ni a wo mo a ono we register Ghana card no ono na ansa na ye na kasa
just you come back to odin ayina adwa mansa patron ko fere ma me wo efie na to aso mi no mre me na me ne nkasa yes I go back to that woman na
just imagine on say areho
because
omampania be die tire maybe or yes or the correct area code or whatever so there mamia asumasi ukwakoto na weche a uduru ama wo man so benkum yensa ne ade gina bae no woso google sane mano eyimano ama me ameka se ene omampania be die tire waya ade power sa ade na oyeye no etino se ye wo bi wa broche ni ba bedru Ghana wonum ne ye hu se mo bom ho modern se mo ya monye mo ye se ya broche for ye bedru e betimi nya benefit e wo so because ye hu ni ma bi wo han mo tanka wo te Ghana at least yetimi twem wo sa kwa no so but still ye hu anything what old system one what you come
na adru ho you say wife buy ni nua ba bi so number no de frame me ti me frame ni nua ba no no de akoma no
de akoma no A course number.
And I know about course.
And this what the person so I'm working here.
And the crisis cover studio. I'm saying, no, many nanti also a peak crentino, chair sister Banama, it's your ultimate studio. Because the beer one of us will back about it. Tika no Yanidia or the passport Yanidia, Cababio Membiano, KTB Nkomo. By the way, by the way, you say more Koji Ghana card and Sana Motimate, would do a porter. Honor be back or register below the amount now. All the qua, Finn Albu who say yes, the security is at stake. But the mechanical crano, a higher Asempa, a cast and panoa. Uber airport, not boys, BJ now. Oh, person who knew Jimmy Foyer. Or we a security threat. That's it. Yeah, the officer Baho, man, who say, might be office or more ton SIM card near. But between them, no, I talk. Or the passport, no, I don't know that sending phone, no, that I call. He says, some business ni na adibia. He say, boys, I'm going to turn SIM card near. He say, yeah, so almost I go back to the offices now. We go call more normal to your registration in out. Talk call MTN, Vodafone, Airtel Tigo. Glow, Ukomo office and Kasa. Any multimedia had the 8 could be because lie grew on the mono. Yet he had no money in your SIM card, no, could you talk Chomber register Waha? And on the mobile registration, yeah, of course, because me, Mrs. Samina Kotna, Achimota more. You drew on the mono. Lady me say, but you want to be for the passport, show the Ghana card. It is a mini, yeah, maybe second card in SM Demano. Into a so anything. Jonas or Tiwa, no, and Yako, and a Joe be a frame, and I'm saying, it's not a bebano. Said a bear, it's not a bebano. Because meet me until all the time. It's in the wait, me so. Now, Mr. Can I say for NIA Bosono? Some only Diana, and after so internet, that you so no, dear, or ye Ghana, a castle of Barman on the hall. And when they say, Mr. Rakubusai, Usubu say, Obeba Dabe, she says, COVID no, it will be to me, or be close to Kogada and the public brain, and no car. She says, no COVID. You move to me, I got that. You party, say, party. You know, the woman said, Minister, and if 200, 300, good. And another idea, and I bet Maba. But Minister, or no, Asha Sam Rawino, or the Ako Parliament, I may Asham Rawino, and so much some because then the planning and Nabi. Maybe I carry so imagine Abaso. Say Ghana for one man on and you bedrew and you may wouldn't be part of the bedroom airport. I'll move here some card. Imagine. Yes, every day. Every day, Ghanaians are more outsider on bedroom here card nibi. And I am more transactions. It's in the passport today. It's simple for what they count. Na card and I card no account. Yeah, that's be brave. I want somebody count because embed dinner wahanum omuno engineer register san man anya Ghana card ni bia mayen yo etinu te kwa bisu no awoto mutimi ti afia so ye bebedu a your passport no awoto yetimi di eka ho yetimi di eto super register card ye fancy na the work can pay for TB a higher Asempa 94.7 yo aha Asempa 94.7 musofu kokoma nkwa Akonta ena masuguso a botie yeko say okay say Mr. Poku aye na Mrs. Poku so wo so ono na sisi wa bedi adwemu a oni asem card o yusu nkofo de Angel Gina yamwakwaba.
Good evening, Mr. Amankwatia.
Guten Abend.
Guten Abend.
Wie geht's?
Gut, und dir?
Sehr gut, manchmal.
Yeah, super.
Okay. Mami, what be pay dwemu yeso person card? Ukodu ready na kachiro.
Yo, okay, so me ya obi biara e wo Ghana. Ene Abrokyire Nkomo enkanka me cross ni poku. Me dofo, ma feel dodo. My back I said you win no. Na ja me de me set me custom card. Na ja me de approve me kunu kakra na ye digo. Because I say in card mra. Nam se card the bay. Yes, a card the person me done and I'm so when you say we be at home. Maybe find a passport square and Yajuma. Eh. And yet you must have me not done and me and not some of the summer dress. Yes, too. There was special card and none of main fan. Yes, it was Kaka must send the crown. Need to be his camera. It's a Minyasa card. And lucky enough, me brother so me. And I'm a better now, or no ordinary call register money. Now, me see you be Ghana penny for him. Because Akonta said, Ghana for a walk went to you. Abrokyire Yemen in media account. Let me say, you're in Ghana for him. Akonta do, and your mommy and none of this Ghana penny for. Say, all my young Abrokyire you, but I couldn't gain. First of all, I prevent the 8 years in a year pressure your bed twaba. Omo my funny and twaba. It is similar. The kind of buy or was so at the stage of one. Say, obey or no bar, obey my year break for a woman, we are Japanese as twaba. And we will be similar and okay. I'll say, dear, see this with the card. I answer with me, and some away to me to credit. And some away to me, I mobile money. Many deserve Ghana penny for sale. We are what you know. What's a match up to match? You near me about a year card easy. Yes, yes, come more. And to me, the doesn't see card, you buy your brain, bushing up for us a match in this two. Necessary, and you need to get ya. I buy me there for an answer a hip or coin. Maybe such a Ghana penny for sub, you almost several almost with you for one hour. Woman carry us almost a poor bar, woman to move. I remember, say, Yana now was just with your man to that time, or bar Berlin, none of Berlin. Now, about Berlin, may X any everything for you for the other call to Kai Laden. And your photo, Akonta, you will picture to know, and yet, not two will be in an order. And you are shy and book. But the same answer almost so abrasive what they gave me. I can tell you many dear. The future is a normal year. We are here. Won't long and no more fire for my young you. Some of the person, Moyana, you're Ghana for your year. Because a year, tell me, let you happen. Now, we'll be a better with friendly crew. Me can't be your own just here. Me confirm me tell my husband, yes, yet. Ghana, yes, and if again. A day for a company for the young Abrokyire for a year. We shall also Abrokyire statistics come every month. The club back home, it's Mrs. Ghana, meaning every year. Now, some young, but the other we is free with the act. No more person, the name, mamma. Me, I make a person in those and I miss me your program for Facebook and the other radio stations. But the aircon, we have to.
Okay.
And you're too much.
Angel.
Papa.
First year, mammy. Now, the pay maker and say, a be passport in there.
Dabbing.
Day passport no. As some system of the count. Passport no dear. Debbie, say I shall see ne. I shall see just last week. Registration, no. It's the first week. Next week, you until be a vessel who the rule. You be the says, you Abrokyire for a passport no there. There's a Ghana passport who need for so na.
I don't come even besides say Ghana passport no kuta. Say you run the kuta and I say.
And this is biometric. My fingerprint was so. My name was so. My date of birth was so. Maybe there also to say Ghana card here. Ghana card and your passport. It mean try Apple and call people for. My passport to chapel. I didn't see any. But that's it. Now, so the city, you know, you call a back to Uncle Richard Sunshine Radio, a Cologne. Uncle Richard, you're more quaba.
Yo, Uncle Joe, me so me California,
you know, Joseph. Papa, and you know, a before. Ghana passport. Passport, Papa, be a Kutawa, Musus, room, green at Technic Crano. After the call, yet a day, Papa Casa.
Yes, Mu say Ghana passport no, because Germany here. abodi authority across border. How do you hear to say a valid document? I'm not the Ghana soil. You better one of the register, baby. I would say a year valid to register something in Ghana. Then 24 years, Marano, you be a book there. Huh? And you say, so you probably a dangerous. What man is the Ghana passport? I would say a year patano. What you don't wrong, man. Now, what they call it, what they do, communication, identity, I would say a year papa on the way. I can tell you, idea, more than 24 years, man, I can tell you, it's unfair. I can tell you, before men and God, me, become a Germany and 80% of that Ghana. I can tell you, we see it and what she aircon come over Ghana. The same part with my Ghana, just communication, no more deny me. No more pass anything.
Any communication in Kwao, any communication Kwao, mobile money. They say, when you do music good or momoso. Most of them not transfer music through the mobile money.
I can tell you.
And I know baby sooner Ghana for our more at it. The cost you, no be doing sika. Let's so one. Yeah, any day.
Yeah, I can tell you. You mammy or so, what me Germany, or moon sign minimum, you know, some more young, our who cry, or may a castle which you know. And he said, me a Germany, and my little Ghana, look at my passport internationally, ye get to. What could a Ghana card now more than all the new saying trouble that might be German here, but yet to say international document.
But some telephone na so but telephone no mo ba brochi ho no ma o mo passport o mo de card
what the card o mo you go do airport the card ni do mo penise any pa who register sa SIM card you be who identity that is all it is a German passport ni e valid here I didn't know me register mo se mo
South Africa o kwa akoye exchange kra o do o kwa akoye sisenska wo bureau o kuta passport a o mo ensisa ma o okuta $1 okwa kwaji adeti na passport Ghana passport ni entibenje
yeah I can tell you I say Western Union man na ukwaji na so ukwaye Western Union you say you got a passport and the Ghana what the Ghana passport in your value on the Ghana passport here and here me say o mucha Ghana passport me say any document say here ma o my Ghana passport office no mu no. I said, you are saying, Papa, you.
Munya botre.
No, every day,
beginning the West, I feel Dr. Hoba, you know. You're botre.
Already said, Ghana prisoners. Yeni wafo musi yeni sikenti mudi yemuti ngwe se for from 2009 to 2030 over about 12 years to 30 years yantu abada ono mpani bia ne ho akwogine ya wodi se bi o mubu ye se akunta just excuse me to say o mubu Ghana kraman ese yeni ese Abrokyire
musika de abeje
citizen of Ghana. Can you be on Bayano? Yes, other planet, yes,
baby, I mean, say, so to register more up to 10. How?
I didn't say, maybe any papa, you should already set 10 SIM card. I don't know your communication.
Emergency.
And I was saying, yeah, the monthly for the I'm Marano, or Moon Chain Sign. So, Obia, the Ghana passport, I had value, but yes, it says, a woman is SIM card, not mobile money, be access, be a Ghana, the identity, or almost very Ghana passport, you say, or maybe a national identity, a legitimate Ghana, and yes, I almost have a Ghana passport.
Yo, that's it. A higher Asempa 94.7. And then come on, Ghana SIM card. Registration ongoing. Minister, mame Osla Edibetuja. Say, next year March 2022 say when you Ghana card to register our SIM card no be call off na yenya no me wa ma no ne you need Ghana card ni bi every day as we speak about say 7 ekobo 8 no ko airport and why you choked flight best 5 be free outside beba no Ghana for omoba abedi 2 weeks abedi 3 weeks 1 month no masa ko back SIM card okuta no Ghana passport o timi njibi adintra Ghana passport a utimi de visa eko obi manso ema obi manso utimi de SIM card eyusu no wa wukro mu de utimi fa yusu adan pay for said ye kan ye fa kwa adwendwem Facebook nipa bebre e na ka ye nya aboa for krato e na ba na Dr. Phil so are ready na ode ne dia ba said be kan no Jumadi Ghanaian German Center for Jobs Migration and Reintegration for and asoyasene na do mo kan ne say fa kwampaso ne tukwan na owo ukrom susu a na wo pa adwuma ya bra o makache ne ne omomedi nkita ho bia yenye aboafo krato ye ba
me Ghana ni amatina Germany efia na nso na enda form empo ema me pa aba tina maye madwin se me befie abehye obranase nanso misro infa na metna eden na meya hye obranase
ye friend me Grace ababa wa mawie school pon na me prepare adwuma nanso aye din ama me se menye adwuma e fata mabodi nkrata
me din de ato na maye madwin de kwen bia do amefado amakwa Abrokyire no mefado mako
se wo ba Ghanaian German Center for Jobs Migration and Reintegration akachi a ye futufo no je ahoho wo fel so na wato wombo achurche won edwumatene ne a ye akachi no di ede boa won a wo free Akonta mu aba Ghana na wo pese wo sambe bo won bra wa ha na enije sem ne se wen nyina sikagie bi enim eye free
enti fra homa trofo yin so 055-675-8516 and 055-675-8518
Eduho talent show ba ko mo hwe ni mo asase no afeni de bro live e wo Adum TV so make the big talent show yes ye de bro e 3rd October 8:30 p.m. e wo Adum TV so watch your audition Samson wire performances akodo minim se wani age afei na gro ni be shasi ankasa very little people because say adjustment do shotingo any wo munuanom ebe don mo talented ebi beto nyom ebi besa ebi be rapping ebi be acrobatics ebi be acting ebi su be yimpasro me che comedy any pia kika ho ebe ye de say Shenelson 3rd October 8:30 p.m. Yebama wani agisa Tumidie
Asempa FM
any darling lemon drink that the brewo Yabwafo Bini 21st Clinic Dominion Herbal Powder the big talent show Utuminta ke Adum TV no wazo ye
yo ya da masise monya so etie abesamre Abrokyire Nkomo so le monim Kwaku Amankwa memeda ne memeda bia bono so kopim na wotwe a ye de adwenkyere eba ye call Facebook a ye nuan me ba ye de omo enkrato efeto hon bi piaga osakuta good job piaga asante ono kase free achim asafo fantastic okay Godfred Ado ose Akonta good job Madagana where are you Madagana onai wenyane Godfred Ado bi ose sad to be a Ghanaian in diaspora true Daniel Yabua ose please don't use Sebi to insult or okay with us or there's a tataman doc ekasana doc do baby so they can crap him no say pacho say you we are bia maybe no the to Sebi I said no na ka Daniel Yabua with us we love your program still my candidate is it from okay with us be Marcus De Silva also say me who reply will be on Emma Cookson Osakunta, you are doing a good job. Watching you live from Committee 9. Okay. Eric Edu, I'm really disappointed in you Okay. On also reply the doc. Okay. Prince Kwabna from a Siedu or see people keep it up. Okay. Daniel Yabu and Robio, Daniel Waya, the to Mr. Wania Brio program is super. Eric do so Eric.
Asempa FM.
I think Bernard or say I'm enjoying the show live from continent around Bosumchi. The program is very fantastic. Good job. Oh, continent something regional. Continent Chapatre Bosumchi Lake Bosumchi side or oh, we go far. And that's we keep it up. I think I know I'm enjoying the fantastic show. Okay. Daniel Yeboah Rubio, we love you. God bless you for helping our brothers and sisters abroad. Appear also say good evening, Akonta. Here in Italy, you don't have a document for there will be okay. Or say Italy no need document or be betting the document according a diamond on here. Fine. No, you'll be more so. Do baby, the okay, you crew myself. Why? It mean fire passport me draw a brain to me SIM card and use. Daniel Yeboah, or ya the near Jumano. Piaga. Where you? I think say Joshua Jama or say. Too much. Good job, Joshua. Me that say, with your wifey. Akonta, good evening. Let's say Mass Jakim and a Dubai and a tree teacher or say they always think without having in mind those overseas. Meanwhile, those overseas send remittances to support the economy. Okay. Sikasemna near can end the ombeji, but Godwin Dankwa. I don't know what enters the brain. Okay. Thomas Dochi Akonta. What to say me hoye pa ene de wan kan na ntimi nyo so. Okay, me from Musia say Dr. Abedu Nkomo they say Dr. Phil. Then me fa phone calls ni bi but me ntimi anye den amana. Next week na me adoma asase ho asem ene ba beka. Next week ye beka asase ho asem. Ghana for wa no ni sa na musa didie ahemfo abusuya
Asempa FM
ye to asase a mo beto am nipa be 20 intimi ma ho court eno so dru court so a ho so asem ye different na o twese ne ye ne lands commission e be din kobo na ye da batudwa na ye no ma be di de se ye kanyina aha na edimbe dwumadie se de meka ye Ghanaian German Center for Jobs Migration and Integration omune so yasene Coach Ogre and a dear call Facebook and a YouTube. Sasuna Seju Manucho a dear call a production a yinina. Yadama said Doc Erem. I need to see.
Programming dedicated to health, talk,